Very good morning. In previous class, electrostatics part 1, we have discussed about the charged body, and next we discussed about the electrification. In part 2, we have discussed Coulomb's force, Coulomb's law of force, Coulomb's force of electrostatics, and next we discussed about the electric field intensity. In this video, I am going to discuss about the electric potential and electric potential difference. So electric potential we can define in three ways. First one is whenever two different charges are contact with each other, energy will be transferred from high charged energy into lower until they both obtain a same electric property. Second case, whenever charge is at infinity distance, so some work is to be done to bring back from infinity to point P. So the work done on a unit positive charge, bring back from infinity distance to particular point P is a particular point P is also called as a electric potential, and electric potential energy per unit charge. Per unit charge we can call it as a electric potential. Here electric potential energy we can write as W infinity or W apparent So we can write as minus W infinity by Q. Whenever charge is at a distance R, we can write as 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. And what is the SI unit? SI unit is joule per coulomb, and dimensional formula is m power 1, L power 2, T power minus 3, I power minus 1, and it is a scalar field. Scalar field is nothing but whenever it does not obey vector's law of addition, that we call as a scalar field. So here electric potential is not obeys the vector's law of addition. But if you go for intensity of electric field, it obeys vector's law of addition. That's why it is a vector field. Next, let me go for electric potential difference. Nothing but the work done on a unit positive charge move from one point to another point. The work done on unit positive charge move from one point to another point is called electric potential difference. That is, we can write as V2 minus V1. So simply we can write as W by Q. That is electric potential difference. Thank you. So from in this video up to here we have discussed about all topics in static electricity. Thank you.